In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code on Coursera. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a code, where to paste it, and how to confirm the discount before you pay. First, start by finding a valid Coursera promo code. You can get one from an official Coursera promotion or a reputable coupon site. Make sure the offer is current and that it matches what you're buying. Some codes work only on specific courses, one-time purchases, or the first month of a subscription. Check the expiration date and any exclusions. When you found the right one, copy the code exactly as shown so you don't introduce typos or extra spaces. Next, head to Coursera.org in your browser and log into your account. Being signed in helps ensure the discount applies to the right profile and displays correctly with your region's currency. Once you're in, pick what you want to buy. This could be a single course, a multi-course specialization, or a subscription. Keep in mind that many codes don't apply to degree programs or certain partner offerings, so it's worth double-checking the fine print before moving forward. Now proceed to the payment or checkout page. Click Enroll or Subscribe as appropriate and continue until you see the price summary and payment screen. This is where you'll review totals and add your payment details. On the checkout page, look for the promo code field. It may be labeled promo code, coupon code, or something similar. Sometimes it's tucked under a small link like Have a promo code? If so, click to expand it. Paste the coupon code you copied earlier into that box. Be exact and avoid any leading or trailing spaces. If you're on a computer, use your paste shortcut. On mobile, long press to paste. Ensure every character matches what you copied. Then select Apply. Give it a moment to process. You should see the discount reflected in your order summary, often as a new line item or a reduced subtotal. If you get an error, it usually means the code is expired, not valid for that item, region restricted, or already used. In that case, review the code's terms or try a different valid offer. Before you pay, confirm the final price is lower than the original. For subscriptions, also note what the price will be after any introductory discount ends. That's it. Find a valid code, log in on Coursera.org, choose your learning product, paste the code at checkout, apply it, and verify the reduced total before completing your purchase. Happy learning!